Dear subscribers, I take the privilege of announcing the third Hand and Microsurgical Skills Course, which is going to be held between 18th and 19th of April 2026. The venue is the same, the Vidya Jeevan Learning Center at Greater Noida. I invite all of you to be able to participate, but I just want to tell you that the number of students or participants is capped at 50 participants so that we can interact with you on a one-to-one basis. So do not lose out on this opportunity and register early. Thank you.